Why does digital file management need a consistent naming convention? Imagine trying to find a specific photo or document in a sea of files without any pattern. It would be like searching for a needle in a haystack. That's where a consistent naming convention comes into play. When you manage digital files, especially in large collections or shared workspaces, clear and predictable names make everything easier. It's not just about making files look neat. It's about creating a system that everyone can understand and follow. Using a standard format for naming files helps you organize them logically. For example, if you include the project name, date, and version number in the file name, you can instantly see what it is and when it was created. This makes it easier to find the right file quickly. It also helps prevent files from getting lost or misplaced in cluttered folders. When you need to find a document fast, a good naming system saves you time. Instead of opening multiple files, you can scan a list and pick out the one you need. This is especially helpful if you work with many versions of the same document. Including version numbers or dates in the file name helps you identify the most recent one. It also keeps track of changes, so you know which file is the latest update. A consistent naming convention also helps avoid duplicate files. When everyone uses the same pattern, it's less likely to accidentally create a file with the same name as another. Adding unique identifiers like dates or sequential numbers makes each file distinct. This reduces confusion and prevents accidental overwriting or deletion. Clear file names improve teamwork too. When multiple people access the same files, everyone understands what each file contains without asking. It reduces misunderstandings and makes collaboration smoother. Plus, it makes managing permissions easier when you know exactly what each file is and who should access it. Having a set format for naming files simplifies administration. You can include details like the author's name or project code, making it easier to organize and maintain large digital libraries. It also helps new team members or less experienced users find files without confusion. In practical terms, creating a standard format might mean using something like project name, date in year-month-day format, version number, and file type. For example, marketing campaign to 0 for 27V to PDF. Everyone involved should follow this pattern to keep the system consistent. Overall, a consistent naming convention is the backbone of good digital file management. It keeps your files organized, easy to find, and safe from accidental loss. It boosts productivity and makes collaboration more effective. When your digital library is tidy and predictable, managing it becomes much less stressful and much more efficient.